This cocktail is called Doralto. Go ahead and start off by putting your ice in your mixing glass like so. Then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of gold tequila. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. You could probably also squeeze real lemon juice in here. This is called real lemon. And it is real lemon juice, but you get my gist. Now we're going to do about a teaspoon of superfine sugar and a dash of bitters. Shake this all together. Shake it up really good so the sugar dissolves and the bitters gets mixed in really good with the other ingredients. This is what your Doralto looks like so far. Then take some soda water, seltzer water type stuff, and just fill the rest up. Last but not least, you want to garnish your Doralto with a lime wedge and a cocktail straw. And you are good to go. Cheers.